Hi, this is Roland from Impress Computers. We're upgrading your email security from Phish to INKY. In this short video, I'll show you what the new color-coded banners mean and how you can now control your own allow list and block list using the INKY User Dashboard. When you see a yellow banner, INKY is warning you to slow down and take a closer look. You might see warnings like potentially suspicious, sensitive content for things like passwords or first-time sender. If an email like this is asking you to log in, change a password, or pay an invoice, do not click the link. Go directly to the official website instead. At the right-hand side, you'll see safe, spam, or Phish options, depending on if you trust the email or not. If the banner says Graymail, INKY thinks this is bulk or marketing email, maybe from LinkedIn or a newsletter. You can mark it not Graymail if you want it, spam if you don't, or Phish if it's a scam. A gray banner with neutral simply means the email is from outside your organization, but INKY doesn't see anything malicious. When you click More in any banner, you'll go to the Report This Email page where you can verify the sender and subject. At the very bottom, click the link that says Visit the User Dashboard to manage your personal settings. The User Dashboard gives you control. You can view your summary and check if Graymail protection is enabled. Use the allow list for trusted senders and the block list to stop persistent spammers without waiting for IT. To recap, slow down for yellow banners, gray means external, and use your dashboard to manage your own lists. If you're unsure or need help, contact us at Impress Computers at 936-931-7977 or email ticket@impresscomputers.com. This is Roland from Impress Computers. Thanks for watching and stay safe in your inbox.